You've probably heard the term agent thrown around, but what is an AI agent and how soon will you be working with one?
Yeah, well, how about yesterday? Because I think that the real question as well isn't like when you're going to be working with one, but really, if you're going to be the one giving the orders, or are you going to be the one made redundant by an agent that does your job faster, cheaper, and pretty much without lunch breaks, coffee breaks, or even toilet breaks, without sleep breaks? It's definitely a new era coming, and yeah, it's going to be very interesting to see. So, with that said, you probably are working with an agent already. A lot of products have started putting the initial agents in place. We're obviously going to see a lot more development. And I think that's why this is such an exciting topic. The fact that agents are set to explode in the near future. And yeah, really, an agent is going to be one that's, going to not just be able to perform tasks, but I think what makes it unique is that it's going to be able to reason and then take action on that as well. And then obviously work across apps to get all the things that you need done.
Let's talk to the audience about what the heck is an AI agent. Let's imagine you're in a kitchen. Old software is like a recipe. You follow it step by step. An AI agent is your personal chef. Tell it, I want dinner for 6, gluten-free with dessert, and it figures it out. Or think of Jarvis like from Iron Man.
Yeah, or you could say HAL 9000 from 2001: A Space Odyssey. Depends on which side of the coin you kind of feel this technology is going to land. But I guess either way, agents, again, perceive, reason, and act. They're not just those chatbots that you may have interacted before.
All right, let's kind of be real about this. Perceive, reason, and act sounds great in a sales pitch. But right now, most of these so-called agents, they're just glorified chatbots hooked up to an API. Think of Clippy, even.
Be controversial there. Nice.
Yeah, I know. They can book a flight, sure. They can also fail spectacularly by like booking the flight to the wrong place, or the same city but a different country, and then deleting the confirmation email. The potential for chaos is just as real as potential for productivity.
Yeah, and I think if we look at them now as well, it's early days. But we're looking at, GPT-5 was just released. That's got an agent mode with it. Quite interesting if you played around with that, because that starts sort of almost having its own sort of browser window that it starts performing actions in. And I think we've got to look ahead to the predictions of AI agents really taking off in sort of 2026, and sometimes even surpassing what a human level employee will be able to do. They probably pick up a lot of criticism for maybe poorly implemented ones, but you've got to remember this sort of technology that they're built on has only really been made official in the last few months when we look at things like MCP servers. So there's a lot that is going to be formalized and improved on and refined, but they're really going to be a really sort of powerful addition in the future. And if you look at again, the way they can move between applications, they'll be able to know what your goals are. What are you looking to achieve? What's the background on that? And then being able to sort of take action at each step.
I'm curious. In video games, cheat codes let you skip months of grinding to unlock special abilities instantly. Have you ever wished for something similar for your software challenges? What if there's a way to instantly access 20 plus years of specialized expertise instead of developing it all internally? What if you could solve in weeks what might otherwise take months or years? Would you agree that most organizations face a steep learning curve when implementing new software solutions? At my company Impact, we serve as that cheat code for companies looking to transform complex software into intuitive experiences that users love and that drive real business results. Would it be valuable to explore? And how might this work for your specific situation? Visit impact.io for a free strategy session focused on your unique challenges.